Hi friends, welcome to this class. So in this video we are going to discuss about the biosynthesis of prostaglandins, right? So how it is going to be synthesized, right? From which food we will get, right? So from diet means what we take. Most of the times it is fish, chicken, right? Meat and some vegetables, oils, right? From diet we will get this linoleic acid, right? So I have done the videos on fats and oils, or I have mentioned it oils and fats, right? So these are also natural products which is there for MSc syllabus, right? So there I have mentioned about this linoleic acid, right? So you should watch those also. That is available in the playlist. I have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4. You can watch with the series, right? So linoleic acid, right? From diet, that is fish, meat, vegetable oils, chicken, we will get this linoleic acid, right? From linoleic acid in our body there will be delta 6, I can call, right? So delta 6 desaturase, so it is nothing but it will do unsaturation, right? So it will remove 2 hydrogen and it will do unsaturation, so we will get gamma linoleic acid. If I give you the structure, then you will understand it, right? So diet means from meat, fish, chicken or vegetable oil, what you will get? You will get linoleic acid. Linoleic acid structure I will write, so that it will be asked in exams also, so you should remember how the biosynthesis. If you mention the name, you are not going to get the marks, because in chemistry we give preference to the structure, right? So structures you should remember. So this linoleic acid structure is like this. So it will be having 18 carbons. Always fatty acids, that is oils, those things contain this C18, right? So if you count, we should always count from acid group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, right? So 18 number of carbons are there, right? C18 I can call. So that is the structure of this linoleic acid. To that, if we add delta 6 something, delta whatever you call, right, desaturase, what it will do? It will remove 2 hydrogen. From which position it will remove? So 6. At 6 position we should get pi bond, because it is going to remove 2 hydrogens. So these are the enzymes which are responsible to remove 2 hydrogens. So how it will be? See, other things remains as it is only. If I give you the structure, so you will get the structure of this gamma linoleic acid. So it will be this one. So everything will remain same, right? So see, right? So this will be the structure, right? You should remember it. So if you count the number, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, sorry, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18 should come. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So from C18 it is again C18 only. But the thing is, see here I had only 2 pi bonds, right? But here I am having 3 pi bonds. It means from these 2 carbon, one hydrogen has been removed by this enzyme, right? Delta 6 desaturase. So we will get at 6th position, we will get this pi bond, right? Means pi bond we will get, right? That too it is in the Z form, right? Stereochemistry there we haven't mentioned. So that is nothing but gamma linoleic acid, right? So it is alpha, beta, gamma, no, that is the structure of gamma linoleic acid, right? So further what happens? Elongase is a enzyme. It is an enzyme which will elongate the carbon chain. See here, it is C18, no? After elongase we will get dihomo gamma linoleic acid, which contains C20 means carbon, 2 number of carbon is increased. From 18 it has come to 20, right? So the structure of that, what? Dihomo gamma linoleic acid, let me give you, right? So its structure will be like this, right? Other things remains as it is only, right? So till this the structure is same only. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? But here elongation happens. How elongations? 2 number of carbons will increase. Now you count. Always counting should be found acid group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now from C18 it became C20. So it is C20, and it is the structure of what? Dihomo-gamma-linoleic acid. So its structure is this one. You should not confuse. Linoleic acid structure is this one. From this it became gamma-linoleic acid by adding with the enzyme delta 6 desaturase. Then it comes to dihomo-gamma-linoleic acid, and its the structure is like this. Further, if I add delta 5 desaturase, means again it will remove one hydrogen molecule, that is minus H2, and we will get unsaturation. So desaturase we call those enzymes. If there is increasing carbon chain from 18 to 20, so elongase. A stands for enzymes. Elongase means increasing the number of carbon. Here desaturase means desaturation it will do, this enzyme. So we call at what position? 5th position. See how it will happen. So here you will get like this. These things remains as it is only, no doubt. Right. Sorry. And here, yes. So totally C20 is there, right? So here also C20 will remain, but only pi bond was 3 here. 1, 2, 3, but one more pi bonds comes here. That's the difference. COH group will also remains the same. That is done by this delta 5 desaturase. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So what is the difference here? If you count from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at 5th position I have unsaturation. The new unsaturation has come. Right, so that is nothing but that is done by delta 5. Initially delta 6 means at 6th position my unsaturation is to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So here it will start from 5th position, right? So that is the structure we will get it, that is arachidonic acid, right? So from linoleic acid we got gamma linoleic acid, from that we got dihomo-gamma linoleic acid, from that we got arachidonic acid. So here only desaturation happens, that is unsaturation happens at 6th position. Then elongation, so it is elongation, here unsaturation. Once elongation happens, from C18 it became C20 here, but C20 became, from C20 again we add this unsaturation, some enzyme unsaturation at 5th position, this one. So that is nothing but our arachidonic acid. From arachidonic acid we will get all the PG, PGE will get, PGF will get, so many things will get, right? So how it happens, let me give you, right? And also you should remember from diet, meat, fish and vegetable oils, we used to get linoleic acid, right? Sometimes with the same diet only we will get this also, arachidonic acid, directly the structure we will get from the same meat, fish or vegetable oils, right? So this is the biosynthesis, right, from one to another, how it happens, right? So once we have studied this, so this is our arachidonic acid, right, from which how we will get this PGE or PG etc., that we shall see now, right? So see how nicely we will get it. So this is our arachidonic acid, right? Let me write the name, arachidonic acid. So it has got C5, here unsaturation is there. To this if we add it is cyclooxygenase. So see here, how many carbons are there? If you count, it is 20 number of carbons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. C20. Cyclooxygenase. AS means enzyme it is. What it will do? Cyclooxygenase means cyclic ring formation it will do. Right? Oxygenase means it will add this oxygen molecule. Right? So this is the enzyme which will add oxygen molecule. Right? So this thing. So if what it will do, it will form like this. Over here, like this. Cyclic ring is formation and oxygen it has added, and other total number of carbons should be 20, so it will remain like this only. So just other things you write like this only, right? So this is COH, and here it is above the plane, and pi point here OH, right? So how many? 1, 2. So 2 molecules of O2, total 4 oxygen, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 oxygen it has added, and that the enzyme we call it as cyclooxygenase. Cyclo means it will form cyclic ring, and addition of oxygen is done by this enzyme, so cyclooxygenase we call, right? So here also if you count the number of carbons, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, right? So the number of carbons are also C20, and 4 oxygen have come extra, right? 1 2 3 4 from this, because only 2 oxygens were there. COH, here also COH is there, and number of carbons are also same, but only thing is 4 oxygen has come extra from which is given by this enzyme, right? So this is nothing but, can you name it now? So it is nothing but, see, peroxide oxygen is there means that will be PGG, right? So number of pi bonds in side chain 1 and 2, PGG2. So from arachidonic acid, this cyclooxygenase will give us PGG2, right? So from PGG2 with some other enzyme I can get this PGH2, that is hydroperoxidase. Hydroperoxidase, right? Let me give you the name correct. Peroxidase, DASE it is, right? Hydroperoxidase means what it will do, this PGG2 is there, right? From PGG2 I will get PGH2. So what will be the difference? Everything will be same, the structure, only instead of this OOH I will get OH, right? Other things everything will be same as that PGG2. So here what happens, here OOH was there, here simply OH will get. So this is nothing but our PGH2. From this PGH2 we can generate all the PGE I can generate, PGF, PGD, PGI, all these things I can generate. Only thing is, to generate PGE there will be enzymes like PGE synthase. Enzymes which synthesize PGE, we call it as PGE synthase. Similarly, to synthesize PGF, there are enzymes which we call it as PGF synthase. Similarly, PGD synthase, PGI synthase, right? So this is how how biosynthesis of this prostaglandins happens, right? So I hope I explained it very nicely, clearly, right? So you should remember and you should produce in the paper to get the marks, right? So this is all about prostaglandins, right? In biosynthesis of prostaglandins. In next class, let us see few more things of prostaglandins.